Stock axles are just not going to hold up. It's that simple. I've heard from some of my friends to go with Turner axles. They're said to be the strongest you can buy. There's no doubt Turner axles are awesome, but they're twice the price. It would cost us around $2,000 to put axles on this machine. Meanwhile, Super ATV says their Rhino 2.0 axle is 100% stronger than stock, and they come with an 18-month warranty, which is better than anything out there. Bend it or break it, and they give you another one. My theory is, how could they do this if they didn't make a quality product in the first place? 2.0 axles are precision made by quality engineers using CAD technology. They're made of 4340 chromoly and heat treated. What I like best about them, they've been torture tested for 10 years. This isn't some new product they just threw out there. Not why we went with this axle and A-arm setup, but there's a lot of people out there wanting to run bigger tires. Super ATV sure does understand that. This axle allows a 45-degree operating angle. This is what you're going to need if you're going to go with bigger tires and long travel suspension. Raise the machine and remove the wheels. Click over to our A-arm video for details on our Super ATV high clearance A-arm install. As for our axle upgrade, first we'll remove the stock axles. They usually come free with a swift tug.
Easy enough.
If your axle is corroded, it probably won't come out this easy. This CV joint puller is the hot setup for stubborn axles. You can purchase one from Amazon.com. I'll leave the link in the description. I bent a couple of these things and broke one of them, an XT900. And when you get the Super ATV A-arms, you need to run the longer axles. In this case, we're kind of happy that we needed to run something else, and some people might be disappointed you got to have different axles. But in this case, look at the quality of these Rhino 2.0 axles versus stock. You just feel the difference. Stronger, better, warranty for 18 months. So that's a big upgrade for me. I think when you're driving all over the United States trying to race something, knowing you've got new axles that have a warranty on them, you're not relying on a stock axle out there racing in the big boy class.
Yeah.
So I'm happy to shelf these. You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely.
It just feels better. Put some synthetic grease on the axle splines, and with a swift shove or pop with a dead blow hammer, fasten the axle into the differential.
Your axle nut out so you can strip the threads.
Dress up the outer CV with some synthetic grease and fasten the axle to the carrier. Slip the washer and cone on, then tighten the castle nut. You can torque this to 80 to 100 pounds. I'm confident we made the right axle choice. Be sure to check out our other episodes of Project Mighty RZR and click over to superatv.com to learn more about their new generation of axles.